Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Datapen and Tech. However, in this video, we are going to make a calendar with the help of Python libraries with just 3 lines of code. Further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to use a Spyder IDE. A Spyder IDE is a free open source for Python development. However, in this tutorials, we can write our code in this Spyder IDE. Further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the place where we can write our code, and the right side is the console where will be the output of what we wrote in this code, right? Further ado, let's get started. So now, what we need to do, we just need to import our library is called calendar, right? Once we import the library called calendar, we just need to press enter, and then we come down. We gives a function where user can gives input, meaning where user can add the year they want to see. Example, let's give year is equals to int, and then let's just give enter year. So this syntax means that the input will gives an integer value, not a float, not a string, but just an integer number without decimal, right? So what next we need to do? Just call the print function to print our output. So once we call the print function, then we just need to add calendar.calendar, right? And then give a bracket, then we add year. Yes, I think yes, I think this is the code. All you need to do, all control, and then hit enter. Now let's wait, and as you can see, the output here says enter year. This is what we got from this line 3 code, right? Enter year. So which year we want to see? Let's use 2005, right? This is 2005. So let me just hit enter. So as you can see, this is the calendar for 2005, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? So this is just the calendar for 2005. You can see the days here at the days of the weeks, and then the numbers, like from 1 to 30 or 1 to 28. You know, some month ends with 28, like February, sometimes 28, sometimes 29, right? And some of them happens to be 30, like April used to be 30, and then June also used to be 30. Yeah, just like this, right? So let's run it again, and then now let's use 2023, right? 2023, and then press enter, right? So as you can see, it also shows 2023 first, right? This means that this is the calendar for 2023, right? So what we can do here, let's check if this calendar is correct. So as you can see, we are in April, right? So as you can see, let me look for April. So this is April, right? So as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? So today is the 6th of April, right? So this is the 6th, and today is Thursday. So definitely the calendar is correct, right? So we can make our calendar like this just by writing just these 3 lines of code. However, if you don't want the user to give an input, like if you want to give the input automatically, someone can just see the calendar, no need for someone to give an input. So you just need to copy this, and you can put the year you want, like 2021, right? And then hold control, hit enter, and then let's see, as you can see, 2021 here, and then January, February, March. So if you can do like this, very easy. So you can change it to 2025, and then it will give you also 2025 result, right? Just see, let me clear everything, and you can give this 2050, and then also 2050 is here. So once again, you just need to import the library, and then gives input functions, or assigned your value to this, to the year you wanted to, and then give a print function. So with this, you can make a program successfully. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.